Hi, Pep. In the game here last season where Rodri unfortunately got injured, there was a bit of a fallout, wasn't there, between yourself and Mikel Arteta? It started off Stones.
There was what?
There was a bit of a fallout between you and Mikel Arteta, if you remember, because...
Fallout? What does it mean?
Dispute?
I don't think so.
Well, because Stones and Silva said that Arsenal's tactics were dark arts, to which Mikel said, I was here, meaning City, for 4 years. I know exactly what went on there. And as I understand it, you weren't particularly happy with him saying that, and you sort of said next time he has to be a bit more specific. Vague, I think was the word you used. I just wonder how are relations now?
It's good.
Are you best friends? You go for dinner?
No, I don't have time to go to London. And I think he has no time with the 4 competitions to come to Manchester.
I mean, some time has passed since then, but is it water under the bridge as far as you're concerned? There's no ill feeling?
When we're here, we are going to see every day during 5-6 hours a day. So the relation is completely different than after 5-6 years in London. Like, all the managers have a lot of business to do. But if you want to try to your question, before that game, create some conflict with Mikel and myself or Arsenal, I am old enough to do that.